Today we're stepping into the arena of website design, with a showdown between two giants, Webflow and Elementor. These tools are the architects of captivating websites, each with its unique strengths. We'll be making an in-depth comparison using these criteria: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's go! Let's take a look at a quick comparison of these products' main features. Webflow features include responsive design. Webflow offers a powerful visual editor that allows users to design responsive websites easily, ensuring a seamless experience across various devices. CMS capabilities. Webflow's CMS, Content Management System, enables users to create dynamic content and make it efficiently, making it suitable for projects with extensive content needs. Interactions and animations. With Webflow, users can create intricate animations and interactions without writing code, enhancing the overall user experience of their websites. Hosting and publishing. Webflow provides hosting services and allows users to publish their websites directly from the platform, streamlining the deployment process. Elementor features include drag-and-drop editor. Similar to Webflow, Elementor boasts a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, making it easy for users to design pages without coding skills. Template library. Elementor offers an extensive library of pre-designed templates, allowing users to start their projects with professionally designed layouts. However, Webflow's template marketplace may offer a more extensive variety. WooCommerce integration. Elementor seamlessly integrates with WooCommerce, enabling users to create and design online stores. Webflow, while supporting e-commerce, might have differences in the level of integration. Pop-up builder. Elementor provides a pop-up builder for creating engaging pop-ups, but users might want to compare this feature with Webflow's capabilities for specific use cases. Let's take a look at each of these tools' pricing schemes. Webflow offers pricing tiers starting at free for hobbyists, all the way to $39 per month for medium-sized businesses. They also offer a customizable enterprise plan for large corporations. Elementor offers different tiers for their hosting service and builder tool respectively. Their hosting service starts at around $10 with a 1 website limit. The top is around $50 with a 10 website limit. Their builder tool is a bit more spendy, starting at around $60 per month for hobbyists and ending at around $400 per month for large companies. Both platforms offer competitive tiered pricing, catering to different user needs. Webflow offers a standalone design and development platform, providing advanced design capabilities and a visual editor that is particularly favored by advanced users. However, its pricing structure can be seen as more segmented compared to Elementor, potentially leading to varied cost for users. Elementor, on the other hand, is a WordPress plugin known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. While it offers an intuitive approach to website design, some users note a decreased level of customizability compared to Webflow, particularly with need for additional plugins. Several alternatives exist for Webflow and Elementor. Notable alternatives to Webflow include Unstack, Buddabase, and Oxygen Builder, the latter being a lightweight and high-performance solution for WordPress. Elementor alternatives include Divi, and alternatives mentioned on platforms like Reddit and Quora, with Oxygen Builder being highlighted for its Webflow-like capabilities within WordPress. As we wrap up this website design duel, we can see that Webflow and Elementor cater to different needs, with Webflow offering more design flexibility and control, making it a preferred choice for advanced users who value more intricate design features. On the other hand, Elementor is praised for its ease of use and intuitive interface, making it a more accessible option, especially for beginners with website design. On the other hand, Elementor is praised for its ease of use and intuitive interface, making it an accessible option, especially for beginners to website design. Explore Webflow and Elementor through the links in the description. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth tech analysis, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more easy internet tips. Thank you.